Hey guys, this is Charmaine and I'm down in the garden again. Hey, I'm getting ready to go work out, but I just want to show you what I do on a daily basis before I go and work out. So I make myself a healthy juice and I just forage, man. I just come out here and I've got chard here and I've got red chard going on, and let me show you what else I picked today. Guess what? You can juice these squash too. And I have some green beets and I have some kale. And so I'm gonna take this up, and I think I'm gonna get some lettuce, grab some lettuce over here, and I'm gonna take this up and get this juiced up, and you guys can see what I actually do to stay healthy and cancer free. So here's my lettuce. I'm gonna pick some of this lettuce right here, and we're gonna go make a really healthy juice. Okay, so here I am back with my vegetables from the garden. The carrots are purchased, but this is all organic and life force in this. You guys saw me pick this. So I'm gonna make a great juice that I drink before I go to the gym that gives me a lot of energy, boosts my metabolism up, and gets me going for the day. And I know that I've really saturated my cells with nutrient-dense food. So here we go. I'm gonna add some carrot. Add our greens, our leafy greens, and I've got some of the green beans. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this in here. From a pineapple that I saved for making a smoothie. And I put in ginger too, I forgot to cut it out. Now this came out of the garden too, but it looks a little yellow, so I'm thinking it's probably a little bitter, so I'm not going to throw that in. Let me tell you a little bit about this juicer. This is a Breville Juice Fountain Elite, and I like it because it has this chrome basket on it, and it's just really heavy duty. What I like to do is I put a plastic bag in the tub that catches the pulp, and that makes for an easy cleanup. Here's my juice, and I got quite a bit there. Usually I'm gonna drink, I could drink a quart. Sometimes I may just drink a couple of cups, but if I have any extra that I wanna save and I wanna keep nice and fresh, I have this vacuum seal container, and I will have a link for you down below where you can purchase that. And I just go ahead and put my juice in there, and we can put the top on, and then we can use this pump, the vacuum seal pump, and just a few pumps on that, and it's taking all the air out of the container, and that's going to keep the juice a whole lot fresher, up to 5 hours they say, because typically your juice you want to drink within the first 15 minutes because it really starts to break down. So let's see how tasty this is. Spicy. It's going to give me a great kick and boost for my workout. And I want to encourage you guys, get into juicing. In fact, I'm going to help you out. I have a 3-day juicing cleanse. And I don't know about you, but I think I can do anything for 3 days. 3 days is doable. So if you want to bite off your health habits in just a little bitty chunk, join me for a 3-day juice cleanse. I'm going to break it down for you, and I'm going to show up every day for 3 days. Now, I'm not going to start this till after Labor Day, so you're not going to have to freak out that you're going to have to be on some program during the holiday. So we're going to start it next Wednesday. So I want you guys to stay tuned because I'm going to have more information coming about the 3-day juice cleanse you don't want to miss. One of the benefits of the juice cleanse is your skin. Your skin is going to glow. And so I will be 54 years old. Yes, lady. I'm going to be 54 years old in December. And so I do this stuff religiously. I told you guys I had stage 4 cancer at the age of 37 years old. And that's pretty young. And not that long ago, I had a really bad bout with toxicity. I was juicing non-organic apples and getting sicker by the minute. And over a period of about 9 months, I became very debilitated with super migraines, shooting pains in my head, digestive issues, joint pain, swollen lymph nodes, just chronic fatigue. And I went on a detox, and I'm telling you, within 4 days, I felt like ding, light bulb went on, and I felt fantastic. So I just want to encourage you guys, get on board with my 3-day juice cleanse. It's free, totally free. There's no catch. I really want to help you guys. And so you can sign up below, and I'm going to have more information coming at you. Recipes, good, healthy recipes. You don't want to miss this. I'm going to be your health coach, freebie, for 3 days. Why would you want to pass that up? I want to thank you guys for watching my video. This is Charmaine Vieira, and I will be seeing you very soon and getting you all hooked up with my 3-day juicing cleanse. Take care. Bye-bye.